Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Minecraft version and the fabric loader build you need. This matters because mismatched versions break mods. Once you know versions, back up your entire Minecraft folder and any important saves to a separate directory so you can restore if something goes wrong. Then, download the Fabric installer for the target Minecraft version and the corresponding Fabric API jar. Make sure file names clearly show version numbers so you don't mix them later. You run the Fabric installer, select the correct Minecraft profile and target installation, client or server, and install to the same game directory. Once installed, stop Minecraft, then replace the previous loader jar or version profile files with the new ones. Make sure paths match exactly. After that, update the Fabric API jar and any dependent mods so all mod versions align with the new loader. Mismatched dependencies cause crashes, so double-check mod chains and load order before you launch Minecraft using the new Fabric profile and open a single test world to confirm stability. This isolates issues quickly. If the game crashes, make sure to read latest. Log and note error lines, then remove recently updated or incompatible mods and try again. If problems persist, restore your backup. Minecraft copy and reintroduce mods one at a time, testing between editions so you can identify which mod or version caused the break and why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.